Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 21st of October. Capricorn, we're coming out of Libra season. I think I said, oh, two things I want to correct. We're coming out of Libra season into Scorpio season. We're not in Sagittarius season. The next thing I wanted to correct is, is not Jigglypuff transform into multiple characters. I think it was the other one, the other pink one that looks like gum. So I'm sorry to my Pokemon fans. I did not mean to get that wrong. Anyways, Capricorn, hi, how are you? Mr. Capricorn, Jesus Christ. I know that white people them love go Africa, go dig up the gold them, but they brought back the gold mine of fucking South Africa. Tyler was selected to perform at the Victoria's Secret fashion show. Tyler body look good now. Tyler, you were placed as an angel up in those skies, ma'am. If they have robbed anything out of Africa, South Africa, they robbed well. Tyler, congratulations on being an angel. The last person we knew many artists perform for the Victoria's Secret fashion show, right? But this was the angel edition. And remember, the last person who will perform was Rihanna. So can you imagine that? Tyler just stepped foot in foreign lands and already she's performing for an angel show. Victoria's Secret. Girl, you better you better give 1 year supply of brazier and panty, girl. Jesus Christ. You're worth it. Oh my God. So Tyler look like she's going to be the white men's prize of fucking Hollywood, right? Jesus. Anyways, also, I want to address something. So for all the guys who's going around talking about, oh, you're doing your hair. Guys don't want our hairs. Guys don't want the girls to do their hair like this. You guys are doing it for each other. Guys don't like when your eyebrows are shaved off. You're doing it for each other. Guys don't like when you wear all this makeup and these lashes that could take you to another fucking constituency, a fucking Providence. You guys do it for each other. Men never ask you guys to do anything. When you guys are doing your body and breasts, it's for you. The men were okay with how things are, okay. So you see the loud things, them what pound the blood clot car. When you think of doing that for girls, the car them want make so much blood clot noise, right? And I don't. If it's your thing, it's your thing. Because I know that there's a lot of race car fans. But the car them want loud no blood clot. You think the girl I say, pop, boom, boom, pop, 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 pop. Oh my God. You thinking the girl is like, oh my God, did you hear that? Oh my God. I wonder if I could get his number. No, girl is getting horny to that sound. Y'all doing that for each other. I'm not doing it for the men. Okay? I never hear a girl say, listen, when I'm with my man, he gotta have 8 figures. He gotta have a nice bank account. He gotta buy me stuff and pay my rent. And his car has to be loud as fuck. I never heard a girl say that. Maybe unless she's a race girl. But listen, if you want to say we do our makeup and get glamorous for each other, then you guys put loud shit in your fucking when a supercharger, when you put a Mario, the mushroom, Mario go-kart, when you do the mushroom and you go yeah, when you put that on the car, right? Because they're not attracting each other. I don't know no girl who hear that and say, oh my God, did you hear that? Oh my God. Wow, that's so attractive. I never heard that before. Fucking never. Anyways, let's just go ahead and go into your reading, Capricorn. This is your channel song. I'm your host, Vanessa, by the way. Just in case you never remember my name. Okay? Just be with me. Yeah? Okay. Let's go. Capricorn, you're here. I'm pleased. I really dig your company. Your style, your smile, your peace mentality. Lord, have mercy on me. I was blind, but now I can see what a king's supposed to be. Baby, I feel free, oh, come with me. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversations, verbal elation, stimulation. Share our situations, temptations, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we can talk about Surah 13 and 118. Your background, it ain't squeaky clean. Shit, sometimes we all gotta swim upstream. You ain't a sinner, I ain't a sinner. Okay, I know that you're not all saints and we are all our sinners, so I won't judge you or your background. But me not in no scamming. You can't tell me say you murder somebody or you're doing all type of illegal activities that will have fucking what them name? World Health Organization stocking up my blood clot, worse, United Nations, any single way. Let us go into your reading. This is your love reading, Capricorn. So I'm getting someone was blind, but now they can see. So Capricorn, would you like to come take a long walk around the park after dark? Find a spot for us to spark conversations, verbal relations, education. There are scintillations, emancipations, elections, relaxation. Okay, I'm getting, what do you want to do, Capricorn? What do you want to do? Do what you want to. Let's go. Let us see what is happening in your love forecast. We're going to see where you're going to meet your person. Now, the King of Cups is usually near water again. Usually near a beach, near a river, some pool, some streaming, somewhere upstream, some river flowing somewhere. That is where you're going to meet the King of Cups. It's a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. Now you might work for this man. I'm getting you work in the same company of this man, but I feel like the man kind of rank higher than you. It could be a boss though, alright? You might also meet this person in the studio. I'm getting somebody, you might meet them in the studio. I'm getting something about studio, something about singing, music, engineering, beat making. I'm getting something about a new producer you're going to be introduced to. That's what I think. Let's see how you're going to meet them. We have a devil card. Yeah, you're in a studio with them. They're going to introduce you to this person and you and them are going to work together and make music. No, I don't. As you see, I never, ever in my life had done a reading outside in the dark. It's pretty fuck dark, right? I never do a reading. Me getting that's what happen with you. Me getting you meet somebody after dark. Let's take a long walk. Maybe somebody want you to take a walk with them after dark. Me getting them going to discuss the terms and conditions of the contract after dark. Or something like that. Or something like that. So let's see when you're going to meet them. We have the Emperor. So I'm getting this person is coming towards you because the Emperor sent them. So you might have a head of a record label, then you have the producer, I'm getting industry. So it is asking you should, if the reading I'm doing is finding no one you love, but I'm getting industry I find you. No, this could also be, we have two men here. We have a King of Cups and an Aries here. I'm getting somebody want to come take a long walk with them after dark for these terms. For discuss a contract about the industry, for discuss music, or for discuss you working together with this Aries man. It could be again a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. Okay? Now when the devil is usually fast acting, I'm getting within the next maybe week or something like that. I'm getting in the next week you're gonna beat this person. The devil card is fast. It would consider to be like love bombing. You fall in love with somebody in 1 week, basically. But me getting you and this person is going to be paired together and we're just going to start off together. We're not gonna get to know each other. I swear I just saw something behind me. The fuck is that? Oh, there's fence to protect me. Thank God the ghost can't walk through the fence. Thank God, anyways. We get together and work together as two to come together, so we're gonna start working on music, whatever this is. Or me getting King of Cups, you're going to an Emperor to ask the Emperor as to how you can make this person be bind to you. Me getting you're not trying to find love, you're trying to force this person to love you. I've sold my soul, yeah. Literally, you're trying to force this person to love you, or I don't know what you're gonna do, but whatever you're doing, you're going to the Emperor to help you. So I'm getting you have backative, you have a lot of backative here. I've sold my soul, that could be industry. The Sun card, something about a Leo. We have bears. We have judgment, and we got 11/11. So maybe something about 11/11 tonight or 11/11 tomorrow morning. Could be something about 11/11 on a Sunday. I'm gonna leave it here. Yeah, somebody want you meet them at a certain time. You're gonna discuss a contract. I'm kind of getting, and it must be the fucking forest and me near here at the night. I'm getting somebody that invites to one meeting, and the sacrifice is going to be done at the meeting. And after the sacrifice is done, then they might come to you and ask you to sign a contract. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.